In this video, you will learn how to add watermark in Microsoft Word. Also, you will learn how to add custom watermark and picture watermark in Microsoft Word. At the end, you will learn how to remove watermark in case you need. So please watch the video till end so you don't miss out any new features in the watermark section. To apply watermark, you need to go to Design tab and click on Watermark. So you have 4 predefined watermark and you can click on that and it will be applied. In case you are not happy with this watermark, we'll go for custom watermark in Microsoft Word. How to add custom watermark? It means you can go to watermark and you can click on custom watermark. Here you can change, you can modify the text. Let's say I want secret data or secret information. You can write in capital letter or any letter, and you can change the font. Let's say I want light color. You can make it automatic or you can increase the size. Let's say I want 44. Then you can change the color. Let's say I want gray color, something like this. And next we have semi-transparent. If you remove the stick, then it will be the color of what we choose. If you use semi-transparent, so the transparency will be there. So now next will be layout. The diagonal will be diagonal and horizontal will be straight. So let's apply this. Click on apply. So now you can see here it is applied, secret informations. Now we are not happy with this since we want different color. Let's say we want red color and we want the size to be big. Then go to custom watermark, click on red color, click on the size and increase the size. Let's say I want maximum 144 I have, so I have like this. So this is also not correct. Let's say I want to keep it 90 and apply. No. Custom, let's say I want to apply as 60 and OK. So this is fine for me. So now how to add picture watermark? To apply picture watermark, go to watermark, click on custom watermark, click on picture watermark, select the picture. Let's say I want to select from a file. Let's say from PC, I am selecting my logo. Click on insert. You can select any picture based on your requirement. Wash out. Wash out means it will be faded color. If you remove the stick, it will be same color, same design. Now you can increase the size. Let's say 200%, 100%, 150%. Let's say 200% and click on OK. So I have this watermark. Let's say you want to change. Go to custom watermark. Let's say I want to make it 50%. Click on OK and it will be applied. So now how to remove watermark? It is a simple and easy. Go to watermark, click on remove watermark. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more useful videos and let us know if you have any questions or comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.